Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add blur onto your photos on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device, and then you can tap on the plus icon to open up a photo from your gallery. Once you open up your desired photo, you will be taken into the Styles Edit menu. Now, if you wish to add a blur effect, then tap on the Tools option, and now you will see the Lens Blur option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can use the blue marker to position the center of your blur. You can then choose the outer border to set the strength of your blurring. The inner border will define your limit or the threshold of your blur end. Once you choose your desired blur settings, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner or choose from various different styles by tapping on the Style menu. After tapping on the tick mark, once you are done with your editing, you can tap on the Export button after your desired blur settings have been set. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add blur onto your photos on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.